Alright, let's unbox this OpenCV AI kit. So my name is Raymond. Follow the description below if you want to find out more about me. And today I will be opening this AI kit. Let's get to it. So a bit of background about this AI kit. So people who follow the Kickstarter most likely have seen this. So it's actually done by OpenCV, and let me show you here. Well, after that, and yeah, Brandon kindly sent me this. Brandon, you may know him from this company. That's Sony. So what happened? Yeah, we worked together, and then he sent me this over. It's great. So when you first open this, you get two pieces of papers. So you can see the documentations here. Okay. And a sticker that doesn't stick. So they talked about this recently. So they made a mistake with the sticker, which is okay. And you can go to the forum or the Discord, and then you can request for a better sticker. But you know, you can put a double-sided tape here. Alright, let's get to the meat of it. I don't want to waste anyone's time. So you have the camera. Heavier than expected. And you have a port. So I think that is your power supply. USB Type-C. And it comes with a power adapter. And I think if you're in the USA, you should be getting the right pucks. That's right. This is for the US. And then let me see the power rating on this. It's a 5 volt